Vietnam is a land of three distinct culinary regions: the North, the Central, and the South, each with its own flavors, cooking traditions, and signature dishes. In this video, let's explore the top 12 regional specialty dishes of Vietnam as we journey across the country to savor the very best. Each dish tells the story of its land and people, inviting you to taste Vietnam one region at a time. We'll start in the north, where flavors are light and balanced, allowing each ingredient to shine. Here are the top 4 dishes you shouldn't miss when visiting northern Vietnam. 1. Pho. Pho is a traditional dish originating from northern Vietnam, appearing in the early 20th century and quickly becoming a culinary symbol of the capital. The broth is simmered from beef bones for many hours, combined with cinnamon, star anise, and grilled ginger to create a sweet, mild aroma. The pho noodles are soft, smooth, and white, served with rare, well-done or flank beef, along with green onions, herbs, lemon, and fresh chili to enhance the flavor. Hanoi pho stands out thanks to its delicate, light yet rich broth, reflecting the sophistication of northern cuisine. Not only is it a familiar breakfast for the people, pho is also a culinary ambassador, closely associated with the image of Hanoi in the eyes of international tourists. Local tip: don't overload it with herbs. Just keep it simple to taste the purity of the broth. 2. Bun Cha. Bun Cha is a typical dish of Hanoi, appearing hundreds of years ago and associated with the image of street-side eateries, exuding fragrant aromas from charcoal stoves. Pork is sliced or balled, marinated with rich spices, and grilled over charcoal, creating an attractive charred layer. The meat is served with fresh vermicelli, raw vegetables, and a bowl of sweet and sour fish sauce, with the aroma of garlic, chili, and crispy pickled green papaya. Bun Cha is attractive because of the combination of the rich flavor of grilled meat, the light taste of vegetables, and the harmony of the dipping sauce. This is a dish that is not only familiar to Hanoians but also makes a strong impression on tourists, having been widely introduced on international culinary channels. Local tip: dunk the noodles and herbs into the broth before each bite for the perfect balance. 3. Tieu gác bếp. Smoked buffalo meat is a specialty of the Thai and Mường people in the mountainous region of northwest Vietnam. Originally created to preserve meat for a long time in conditions without refrigeration. The buffalo meat is sliced along the grain, marinated with salt, chili, ginger, Canh, and many other mountain and forest spices. Then, the meat is hung on the kitchen rafters, smoked with firewood and charcoal for many days, creating a characteristic aroma and rich sweetness. Smoked buffalo meat has a dark color, a chewy, sweet taste, and a smoky aroma mixed with forest spices. This is a dish closely associated with the living culture, demonstrating the creativity of the Highlanders in cuisine, and is often used to entertain distinguished guests or as gifts. Local tip: for the best taste, grill it lightly over hot coals to warm the meat before slicing. Then dip in Chao, a traditional mix of Canh, chili, and herbs. 4. Chamuk Halong. Halong squid cake is a famous specialty of Quang Ninh, associated with the Ha Long Sea area, rich in fresh seafood. This dish has become the culinary pride of the locality and is sought after by many tourists. Fresh squid is selected with thick body, pounded completely by hand to keep its natural toughness. After mixing with pepper, onion, and good fish sauce, the squid is shaped into bite-sized pieces and fried in a pan of boiling oil, giving off an attractive aroma. Halong squid cake stands out with the sweet taste of fresh squid, crunchy texture, and attractive aroma. This dish is not only a culinary symbol of Quang Ninh, but also contributes to promoting the image of Halong Sea tourism to domestic and foreign friends. Now we journey down to central Vietnam, famous for its vibrant spices, rich broths, and dishes that pack both heat and heart, reflecting the region's sun-soaked coasts and proud culinary heritage. 5. Mi Quang. This kind of noodles are a typical dish of Quang Nam province and the central region, closely associated with the life and culinary culture of the people here. The noodles are made from rice flour, thick and soft, often mixed with yellow turmeric. The broth is simmered from bones, shrimp, meat, or chicken poured over the top. The noodles are served with raw vegetables, toasted sesame rice cracker, roasted peanuts, and a little green chili to enhance the flavor. Quang noodles impress with the combination of the rich flavor of the broth, the softness of the noodles, and the crispiness of the rice paper. This is not only a daily dish, but also a unique cultural feature, expressing the simplicity and sincerity of the people of the central region. Local tip: break the sesame cracker into the bowl for extra crunch. 6. Bun Bo Hue. If pho is the king of food, then Bun Bo Hue is the queen. Originating from the ancient capital of Hue, it is a dish with a strong central flavor and is considered the soul of Hue cuisine. The noodles are round, white, and chewy, served with broth simmered from beef bones and pork legs, with lemongrass and shrimp paste to create a unique aroma. Beef, crab cakes, and ham are served in a bowl with hot broth poured over and sprinkled with herbs and chili paste. Bun Bo Hue stands out thanks to its rich, spicy flavor and the unique aroma of lemongrass and shrimp paste. Not only a dish, Bun Bo Hue is also a symbol of culinary culture associated with the sophistication and meticulousness of the people of the ancient capital. Local tip: ask for extra herbs and banana blossom for the full Hue style. 7. Bun Cha. Bun Cha is a beloved specialty from Phu Yên province, located in Vietnam's south-central coast. It reflects the simplicity and freshness of the local coastal lifestyle. The dish features thick, chewy tapioca noodles served in a clear, fragrant broth made from fish or shrimp. What makes it unique is the generous topping of fresh chopped chives, giving the soup its signature green hue and refreshing aroma. It's often served with fish balls, quail eggs, and a dash of chili for extra flavor. Bun Cha stands out with its light yet flavorful taste, the natural sweetness of seafood, and the herbal freshness of chives. More than just a meal, it represents the coastal charm of Phu Yen, offering warmth and comfort in every bowl. 8. Chao Luon. Chao Luon is a traditional specialty from Nghe province in Vietnam's north-central coast, where freshwater eels are abundant and highly valued. Fresh eels are cleaned, simmered until tender, then stir-fried with turmeric, lemongrass, and seasonings to enhance their natural sweetness. The eel is served atop a warm bowl of rice porridge cooked to a smooth, creamy texture. Garnishes like chopped scallions, fried shallots, and herbs add extra aroma and flavor. Chao Luon is loved for its rich, savory broth, tender eel meat, and the gentle heat of turmeric-infused spices. Beyond being a nutritious meal, it's a comforting dish that showcases the rustic yet refined culinary traditions of Nghe. Now let's head down to southern Vietnam, where the flavors turn sweeter, the portions get bigger, and every dish bursts with fresh herbs and tropical flair. 9. Cơm tấm. Broken rice is a signature dish of Ho Chi Minh City, originally created by farmers who used fractured rice grains left after milling. Over time, it evolved into a beloved street food staple. Steamed broken rice is served with grilled pork chops, shredded pork skin, steamed egg meatloaf, and often topped with a sunny side up egg. It's accompanied by pickled vegetables, fresh cucumber, and a small bowl of sweet savory fish sauce for drizzling. Com Tam stands out with its delightful mix of textures, tender meat, fluffy rice, and crunchy pickles, all tied together by the rich aroma of grilled pork. More than just breakfast or lunch, it embodies the casual, flavorful, and vibrant food culture of Saigon. Local tip: pour the fish sauce evenly over the rice before eating. 10. Bun Cha. Bun Cha, meaning sizzling pancake, is a popular Vietnamese dish found nationwide, with regional variations from the Mekong Delta to central Vietnam. Its name comes from the sound the batter makes when it hits the hot pan. The batter, made from rice flour, turmeric, and coconut milk or water, is poured thinly into a hot skillet, creating a crisp outer layer. It's filled with shrimp, pork, bean sprouts, and sometimes mushrooms, then folded in half and served with fresh herbs and lettuce. A tangy sweet fish sauce dip completes the experience. Bun Cha is cherished for its crispy texture, golden color, and the balance of savory fillings with refreshing herbs. Often enjoyed in a group, it's as much about the communal dining experience as the taste, representing the warmth and togetherness of Vietnamese cuisine. Local tip: in central Vietnam, Bun Cha is small and crisp, while in the south, it's triple the size. 11. Hue Tieu Nam Vang. Hue Tieu Nam Vang, or Phnom Penh noodle soup, originated from Cambodia but was adapted by Southern Vietnamese cooks. This dish features chewy rice noodles in a clear, savory pork and seafood broth. Toppings often include minced pork, sliced pork, shrimp, quail, eggs, and sometimes squid. It's garnished with garlic oil, fresh herbs, bean sprouts, and served with lime and chili for added flavor. Hue Tieu Nam Vang stands out for its light yet flavorful broth, the mix of land and sea ingredients, and its versatility. It can be served either as a soup or dry with broth on the side. It reflects the cultural crossroads of the Mekong region, making it a favorite breakfast or lunch in southern Vietnam. Local tip: try both the dry version and the soup version to taste the difference. 12. Bun Mom. Bun Mom is a bold and aromatic noodle soup from the Mekong Delta, where Khmer and Vietnamese culinary traditions intertwine. Its distinctive broth is made from fermented fish paste, mam ca lin or mam ca sac, simmered until smooth, then enriched with pork, seafood, and vegetables. Rice vermicelli is topped with shrimp, squid, roasted pork, and eggplant, then served with a generous plate of fresh herbs and water spinach. Known for its strong savory aroma and deep umami flavor, Bun Mom is often considered an adventurous dish for newcomers, but a comforting favorite for locals. It captures the essence of the Mekong Delta, rich, rustic, and full of character. Local tip: Bun Mom packs a bold, fermented punch perfect for adventurous eaters. Add fresh herbs and a squeeze of lime to balance the flavors. So this is Top 12 Regional Specialty Dishes of Vietnam, a culinary journey from the hearty comfort foods of the north through the bold, spice-laden plates of the Central Coast to the vibrant tropical flavors of the South. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious adventures. See you in the next video.